What is it?
A carrot.
What is it?
A turnip.
What is it?
A beetroot.
What is it?
A radish.
What is it?
A parsnip.
What is it?
A celery root.
What is it?
A sweet potato.
What is it?
A potato.
What is it?
An onion.
What is it?
A bulb of garlic.
What is it?
A shallot.
What is it?
A leek.
What is it?
A fennel.
What is it?
A celery.
What is it?
An asparagus.
What is it?
An artichoke.
What is it?
A cabbage.
What is it?
A cauliflower.
What is it?
A broccoli.
What is it?
Spinach.
What is it?
A lettuce.
What is it?
An endive.
What is it?
Brussels sprouts.
What is it?
Sorrel.
What is it?
Chard.
What is it?
Arugula.
What is it?
Watercress.
What is it?
Kale.
What is it?
A tomato.
What is it?
A bell pepper.
What is it?
A chili.
What is it?
An eggplant.
What is it?
A zucchini.
What is it?
A cucumber.
What is it?
A pumpkin.
What is it?
A butternut.
What is it?
Peas.
What is it?
A green bean.
What is it?
A pickle.
What is it?
Lentils.
What is it?
Chickpeas.
What is it?
Soybean sprouts.
What is it?
Rhubarb.
What is it?
A squash.
What is it?
Bamboo shoots.
What is it?
A Jerusalem artichoke.
What is it?
An ear of corn.
What is it?
Basil.
What is it?
Chives.
What is it?
Parsley. Subscribe to learn more.